I stumbled upon one of the most practical ways to make money online using ChatGPT. But the best part is, no one is still talking about it, at least as of the time I'm recording this video. Alright, step number 1 is to use ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, can you please give me a list of all the brick and mortar businesses that are getting popularity right now in 2026? Now give me a list of evergreen brick and mortar businesses that are going to be here for many years. Why I did this? Well, the first variant that we have is something that is getting steam right now, meaning a blue ocean market that you can tap in. But the second prompt, these are actually gold mines because they are going to be here forever and they're not going anywhere. Next step, pick a subcategory: hair, beauty, and personal care. And I want to pick a subcategory. We're going to go with barbershops. Feel free to go with any topic out there. Next step is go on Google Maps and in the search box, just paste your search term, which is the barbershops or the subcategory. From here, start scrolling and searching through all the barbershops that we have on the map. You're looking for a shop that does not have a website yet. So here's one that I found in Denver, Colorado. It does not have a website. As you can see, missing information about this barbershop is a website. So that's what we are looking for. The next step is open Boat. Here what we're going to say is as following. Hey Boat, please create or build me a landing page to represent a barbershop with this name. Make sure to include all the images that I have attached and make sure it looks stylish and beautiful. We need to do some styling here. Remember I said a barbershop with this name. Here, hit some spaces or enters, put a column here, go back to the actual barbershop, which is this one. Copy the name, Golden Blade Barbershop, okay? Go back to Boat, paste that name here, go back to Google Maps, click the open hours to open it like this, then copy the entire information. So copy address, go back to Boat. I'm gonna say these are the details for the landing page. Address, copy the entire information like this, highlight everything, paste the information just like this. It doesn't matter that it's not formatted. Go to the photos now. Click each of these photos and start downloading them on your computer. Now, if there is no download button, you just take a screenshot. So for a screenshot, I'm gonna make like this. I'm gonna save on my computer. Next photo, this is a video. So we need a photo. Here's a photo. So we're gonna take a picture like this. Of course, take your time, take good pictures. That's actually the logo. Looks good. Save that. Another good picture of a customer. Take this picture as well. Here it is. Another picture is going to be taken. Next step is copy all the reviews, or at least half of the reviews, by literally highlighting them like this and paste them into Boat. Say something like this. Include customer reviews, and just paste them here. I have to correct myself. Paste them here. Boom, there we go. So all of the reviews are right here. And finally, attach all the images you just created by clicking this plus sign, attach files, and here they are. I'm attaching the images I created. Hit build now. Boat is thinking and it's crafting a landing page. And boom, guys, we have it. Look at this. It used the actual image from Google and it actually put it on as a background in our header. Look at this. Look at this. It looks absolutely amazing. We have the reviews. We have everything. We have working hours. We have the working time, the address, everything we need. We also have a mobile version. We can switch back and forth between desktop and mobile. Now from here, click the publish button at the top right corner and check this out. This is your URL that you need. Copy this URL, open a new tab or incognito tab just to test it, paste it right here, and let's see if it opens the website, and boom, it's opening. So it looks absolutely amazing, very stylish. Next step, grab this URL that you just copied, come back to ChatGPT. This time open a new chat and I'll give it this exact prompt. We're currently working with barbershops and we have crafted beautiful landing pages to attract more customers for their barbershops. This is the URL for the landing page we crafted, please write me an email that I can send to this very same barbershop. Design the email in such a way that is attractive, attention-grabbing, creates value, and makes the prospect wanting to buy our landing page. This is the URL, so the only thing you need to do is to paste the URL. This is the URL, com, and this is the URL. So hit enter now. So this is the email you have to send to the customer or the actual barbershop. And it says, "Hi Golden Blade team, I came across your barbershop and I noticed something that could immediately bring you more bookings." It's not about how beautiful the landing page is. It's not about how cool you are. It's about them. Always remember, as a marketer, you need to help people. It's not about you. It's not about how cool you are. It's about how you can increase their revenue. And ChatGPT understands this. So I took the liberty of building a custom high converting landing page for Golden Blade as a demo based on what's already working for top barbershops right now. Here's the page I built for you. Now, guys, check this out. You're sending to the barbershop not just a demo page from a random website. You're literally sending them their own barbershop with their own branding, with their own images, a landing page they can actually take a look at and be amazed and say, wow, this is actually my name with my images already done for me. What a nice job this person has done. This immediately increases value in their eyes and puts you in well better position than just a random guy offering a web development service. From here, you see what they also have? They have a phone number. We're also going to send them something else. Going back to ChatGPT, here I'm going to say, now could you please convert this email to a short SMS text? Boom. The first version sounds pretty good. SMS version number 1. Hi, this is Ross. I built a custom high converting booking page for Golden Blade as a quick demo. It's designed to bring more clients from Google and Instagram. You can see it here. And again, the link for the page we just built. Now they look at this page and then you can immediately sell them this page for 500 to 1,000 bucks. Usually web development costs about 1,000 bucks nowadays for a simple website. But if you want to really get started making money as soon as possible, offer them like 100 bucks, 200 bucks for this landing page. That's pretty much it. It's already done. The only thing you need to do, maybe they ask you to change something on the landing page. That's fine, because if they, let's say, ask you to change the color from, let's say, yellow to purple, you have Bolt, and Bolt is an AI agent that's going to do this for you by how you just prompted here. Hey Bolt, please change the branding yellow color to purple. And boom, look at this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the fastest and the easiest way to make money right now in 2026 without any knowledge or experience, using purely this system I just showed you. All you need to do is rinse and repeat. Go back to ChatGPT and use other niches. Go with cafes, bakeries, tutoring centers, language schools, music, art schools. This is how you scale. Momentum is what it takes to make money online. Once you create one landing page, then another one and another one, and you don't have to have any knowledge about them. You don't have to be a programmer. Of course, you have to learn what a good design looks like and how a better design actually can attract more customers to the actual person. That being said, if you want to learn which designs work and why a design is important for attracting more customers, in Google type Google Learn About, click the first result. Google becomes your teacher, your coach. You can ask it anything. It is going to teach you like a real person. And I want to learn about how to create a high converting landing page. And now Google is going to teach you what is a high converting landing page, why it matters, and why it's essential for businesses to have a high converting landing page to bring them more customers. Key elements, okay? There we go. Key elements of high converting pages: clear and compelling headlines, strong value proposition, focused call to action or CTA. So educate yourself about what you're doing. So in other words, you're going to be making more money by knowing what you're doing. On the left sidebar, you also have more resources. Understand the fundamental purpose and characteristics of a landing page. Definition of a landing page, purpose of a landing, distinction from a homepage, etc. Here's a pro tip. Instead of only going to barbershops, go to creators that already have websites, but they need to polish them a little bit. For example, even my website, if you go to rossminchuk.com, look at my website. I've been wanting to update this website for maybe 2 years now. Every other and then I would just go on the website, I would look at it and be like, oh, this is so ugly, I have to change it. I would start working on this website, but then something else gonna pop up and I'll just neglect this. So you can even edit my website. If you want to edit it, send me a message. We might talk about some pricing. I don't mind. But yes, you can go to any creator out there and revamp their websites. And by the way, guys, if you want the prompts that I've used in this video, comment down below with the word prompt and I'm gonna send you all of them. If you like the video, hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. So what you need to do from here. In the video in the top left corner, I'm walking you step by step on how to bring another cash stream or cash flow to your household, because this is important. You want to diversify your portfolio of side hustles so you have multiple cash streams or cash flows coming in the same time. Because if one fails, you're going to have another one bringing you money. So I'll see you in the video in the top left corner.